Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change treble for your BOSE S1 Pro Plus using application. You have to start by open BOSE application and we will use third channel. So this we don't need it because we connect it with a Bluetooth, and if you connect it with a jack or mini jack you will also just use this third channel. So first let's swap to Treble right here, and we have this wheel. You need to slide up to increase treble or slide down to lower the treble. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.